Hello guys, how are you all doing? Welcome to my channel. So this evening I want to show you something. So guys, check me out. Oh guys, see, can you see? So I went and braided my hair.
Let's go. Mommy.
Hey.
Where?
Go. 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 Bye. New hair. I went and braided this hair. I will leave the inspiration somewhere for you guys to see. In fact, when I saw this hairstyle, I said I'm going for it because it's everything. It's so cute, but you know what? It took time. Oh my God! They spent 7 to 8 hours on this hair because I went to the salon around 9:15 thereabouts, and they finished this hair. Baby, what time did they finish the hair? So I went there 9 and they finished 6 p.m. So I went there 9 a.m. and they finished 6 p.m. So calculate it. More than hours. Oh God. I couldn't sleep that day. Guys, how it looks like. It's so simple. You see how? So this hair, I just hope I'll be able to manage it because it costs a lot. Like the charge is too much. I bought the bees. I bought this. So these bees, I'm here to put them here. But I want to rock the hair for maybe 1 week or 2 weeks. Then I will change so that it will look new again. So that is my plan. If not, I would have let them fix these bees that same day. So check me out, guys. In fact, I love braids. When I was in Ghana, braids and weaving was my hairstyle. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I am called Linda, or you can call me Lynn, or give me name. So welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let us interact under the comment section, and let's build this community together, okay guys? And tell me how I look under the comment section. Do I look good? Do I look African mama? I will be cooking. So guys, so I want to show you.
So over like
Recording. Thank you. So are you gonna make it funny? Juicy.
Eyes closed, eyes closed. me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
H I J K L E O 1 3 1
Wow, okay.
2 3 4 5
5,
1
1,
2
2,
3
3,
4
4,
5
5,
6
6, 2, 2, this is 2.
Show me your head.
Good
Show me
boy.
your eye.
Good
Show
job.
me your mouth. Show me your nose. Show me your ears.
Good boy.
Show me your
Stomach.
stomach.
Good boy.
Show me your legs.
Good job. What are you okay with that?
Yeah.
So those mean you're okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Uh-oh. Head. Head. Good boy. Head.
And at the end of 22,000, like I said, you bet my talk. Yeah, 9,000. I look at 9,000, you bet my talk. Grab one, so 2, and then 1.
We use this fufu to make this. Hello? 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 Can your husband cook? Can your husband drive like this? See my husband. See.
My husband can drive.
See my man. See the hand, the macho. Hello? Hayo? Kenebanoso. Junior. Chris.
So, I wanted to ask him whether we could do Okay, love. What do you normally eat? What do you eat?
Nani be free so. Because I said right now, kind. Who is running like that? Is that you? Why are you running? Catch you! Catch you! Catch you! So we have here melon soup. Guys, you are invited.